Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok not letting you make a new account problem. If you're facing this problem, then whenever you try to create a new account in TikTok, it just does not let you. So there could be a couple of reasons behind this. So if you're creating an account using a mobile number and that mobile number is already linked with another TikTok account, then it's going to show you this because you cannot use a single mobile number to create multiple accounts. One number could be used to create only one account. So that could be the reason. And the other reason is similar with email as well. You can only use one email for one account. You cannot do that. So if you're facing this issue, use another mobile number or another email and you should be able to create an account. And if you're still not able to create an account even after doing this, then when you're filling up the age barrier, so when you create a TikTok account, it asks you for your age. And if you enter age below 13 or like below 16, then it's not going to let you create an account. So make sure your age is put in such a way that it's above 16, alright? Then it should work. But let's say none of this is the problem and you're still not able to create an account. In that case, just delete your TikTok app and reinstall it again. What that will do is that will allow you to download the latest version of TikTok. And if there was any bug in your app, it's going to be resetted and new TikTok will be downloaded. So that's how you guys can fix this issue. And also make sure to check your Wi-Fi connection because sometimes due to slow internet as well, it does not allow you to create a new account. But these are the solution to this problem. So if you found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.